Okay, we're going to create a driveway and walkways slash sidewalks. We're going to use asphalt for the driveway, and then the walkway slash sidewalk is going to be concrete. And we're going to use, in massing and site, we're going to use a tool called Subregion. Now, when I do that, it grays out everything. I'm just going to zoom in here. This back here is a asphalt alley, and we're going to want our driveway to come from out front here to that asphalt driveway, or sorry, asphalt alleyway. So I'm going to start by drawing a rectangle. I'm going to come out past my house. I'm just going to come out past this to the edge of my property or to the edge of the alleyway. Now, I'm going to hit modify. I'm going to click on this one line right here because I want to change the width of this thing to, you can make it 12 or 14 feet, doesn't really matter which one you use. Okay. Well, it just did something I didn't expect it to. So what I'll do is I'm going to use the undo tool here, and I'll click on this guy. I'll modify that one. There we go. And let's see. Well, now the dimensions have all gotten, here it is, this one here. I'm going to make this 12 feet. You can make it 12 or 14, doesn't matter. Okay. Now, what it did is I just clicked out here in space, and now over here in the property browser, we've got material. And I'm going to click on that little ellipsis icon, and I'm going to type in uh, asphalt, A-S, let's see, is it A-S-H? No, A-S-P. There we go. And I'm going to use the site asphalt, and use render appearance is already clicked. And I'll say okay. And then I think we want to just give it a green check mark. Yep. And then we can look at this in 3D, and we can see our driveway coming up to the side of the house. Okay, now we've got our driveway in. We're going to need to get a sidewalk in. So I'm going to go to our site plan, zoom out a little bit here, and again, subregion, and I can use the rectangle tool here. I can use the line tool. Let's try the line tool. I'm going to go from the front of my house right out to the concrete walkway. So I want to stop right on that. See if I can get it right on there. There we go. Okay. And then I'm going to go down. And I want to go down, let's go down like 4 feet. And I'm just going to put a 4-foot walkway in here. And then I want to close this because this needs to be a closed area. Now, over here, instead of this being asphalt, I'm going to change this. Let's change it to, we'll make this a brick. B-R-I-C-K. All right. And we have two different kinds, well, three different kinds of bricks here. We have masonry tile, brick soldier core. Soldier core is if it was standing straight up and down, or masonry brick. So we're just going to choose the masonry brick. And I'll click on use render appearance and see what that does for us. And we'll say okay. Now it says these surfaces don't support surface patterns. It will not display on the indicated surface. That's okay. And then green check mark this. And again, let's go to 3D view and take a look. And there is our sidewalk coming straight from the house and going across out to the house. We can put in a concrete one too by going, let's say we don't want everything to be the same. We can use going from the driveway to this sidewalk, we could put another walkway. You can use arcs in this. You can use uh, curves of any kind, straight lines, arcs, whatever you like to get this to work out for us.